Give your Ford F-150 an aggressive new look and unparalleled off-road performance with Rough Country's 4-inch suspension lift. This all-inclusive kit features everything needed to take your Ford off the freeway and into the fields. You'll gain enough ride height to run up to 34-inch tires with proper wheel spacing, a set of differential drop brackets, sway bar drop brackets, brake line brackets, and a drive shaft spacer help keep everything at optimum angles for a factory-like ride, even after lifting. A 1/4-inch thick plate steel front and rear crossmember bring uncompromised strength and good looks to your truck. Rough Country's fabricated rear blocks offer considerable more strength than their cast iron counterparts and were specifically engineered to prevent against axle wrap. A set of Rough Country's premium off-road shock absorbers are also included in this kit, featuring a large diameter body with a chrome-hardened piston rod and long-lasting polyurethane bushings. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.